Okay, so this is unboxing for replacement iPod for the first generation for the sixth. And I got this. I sent the order Monday, I think, or over the weekend or something like that, and they sent me the envelope. It was an envelope, not a box, and they sent me this box. But they sent me the envelope, and the ship date, well, that happened on Monday. This happened on March 12th, 2012, and it wasn't that hard to get. So that's it, and let's unbox this. This was replacement because of a safety feature that was dealt with the first one, because the first one had a problem with the battery where it overheated. So I'm recording this with my iPod Touch. So just letting you know. And this is Apple Care service because they care. And this is their address, and if you want, if there is a problem, or you want some comments or something like that, give comments. Some people weren't happy about it because they thought they were going to get a new one, a new first generation. I would really want that, but second thought, no, this is actually okay for me. All you have to do is take this home, and the iPod should be like in a pink bag like this, or pink or orange or whatever. You should be able to take it, it'll just slide out like that. And this is the iPod. It as soon as you got it, it comes up as and you hit this button right here. This is the on and off, or sleep, or walk. Not really walk, but to turn off the screen. And minus and plus volume. And there's the dock connector and charge cable and some cable with power backup. And that's the headphone. It also has a little clip on the back so you can clip your shirt or whatever you use. Clip on, or have it on a watch band so you can have it on your wrist. And that's it. For that, the outside view, and on the inside, not literally, but it should come up as really not focusing on it. Sorry, it's not really the time to turn down the phone this first. As soon as you get it, it should come up as what language you would choose. This would be good. Okay. Yep, this is good. Okay. So as soon as you get it, it should come up as what language you should choose, or what language you want. So, alright. So on the inside it should pop up as this. After that, now playing your music, radio. It works well if you have hot spots, good spots. Nike Plus, there's a pedometer built in. Your clock, you can change the face of the clock. I like it like that. And it also has a stopwatch and a timer. It's really cool. Photos, you can download, get some photos from the computer if you want to show off to your friends, your family. Podcasts and settings. That's about it. And thing is really good for portability. And then the radio, you had to have headphones plugged in because it won't work. Of course, because I don't know, there's something in the iPod that lets you allowed to do that. And the Nike Plus is where you can run or look at your history. Like, it's really cool because you can calculate how many steps you took and that whole day and how many calories you burned. It's really cool. I like it. And they only send the silver version for some reason. I guess the other colors are popular and so. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing. And have a good day. Subscribe if you want. Comment. Alright, thanks.